This is David with New Flow St. Louis. We're here at 823 Rutger Street, 63104. Right now we're pushed out from the clean out in the basement out to the MSD's main. We're going to pull back. We've lined the 6-inch clay lateral sewer at the spots that were badly offset. We're going to pull back and show the liner. Here's the start of the liner. One spot repair. There's the end of that spot repair. Here's the start of the next liner. Here's the transition from 6-inch clay to a 4-inch cast iron that we lined through. The end of that liner, 4-inch cast.